morning, Kuya Gar. Hi, my name is Lord. I'm a grade 10 student from Mana Omega Academy. And I'm a Mana scholar ever since I was grade 2. And I'm about to graduate this June. My dream career is to be a chef because for me, cooking, it's not just about preparing food in the kitchen. It's not just me that makes cooking happy, but I can also make other people happy with my cooking. Ang favorite kong lutuin for my family is tofu sisig. Doon ako natuwa kasi nung first time ko siyang niluto, nagustuhan nila agad. I've always had hesitation pursuing my dream because of financial problems. When I was grade 9, I've always thought na lumipat na lang ako ng ibang school kasi tatlo kami na nag-aaral. So medyo financially unstable kami, especially nung grade 9 ako since walang trabaho nun si Papa.
Ako po pala si Rodina B. Martesio, 38 years old. At dito po ako nakatira sa FTI. Meron po akong pagkakataon na gusto ko rin siyang i-transfer. Nalulungkot kami kasi mahal namin yung money. 11 years ba naman ako dyan. So, ang ano ko lang din kasi is, syempre, yung pag-commute namin, nakakapagod. And yung transportation din namin, talagang ano siya sa amin dahil malaking halagang binibitawan namin.
One of my biggest struggles is yung commute po talaga kasi it doesn't affect just me and my body pero naapektuhan na rin yung academic ko. Kasi sometimes yung biyahe, worse is yung traffic, yun talaga yung nakaka-drain sometimes. Kasi if traffic, parang I still have to wait ng mga 30 minutes, nag-excess siya ng 30 minutes instead na 1 hour lang yung biyahe. Yung lockers, wala kasi yan dati before and it's a huge help for me talaga since I'm commuting. Kasi naglalakad ako everyday in the footbridge. Medyo mabigat yung dalahin ko. So it really is a huge help. Siguro I managed to stay kasi yung mom ko, gusto niya ring i-push na makapag-aral talaga ako dito. Kasi lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, yung Mana Omega, yan yung tutulong sa'yo eh. I think Mana Omega helped me to be a better person kahit nakatira ako sa ganong area. Nung nakita ko yung reality na if ganon yung reality ko, I think I should step up. Yung siguro reason ko kung ba't ayaw ko rin mag-transfer talaga is yung family na parang nabuo ko na dito. For me kasi, Mana Omega is my second home. I'm really grateful that I'm here because seeing the situation I have, medyo mahirap financial problems, yun yung isa sa mga factor na ang hirap talagang alisan. Ang gusto ko, as a Mana Omegan scholar, gusto ko mag-step up. I wanted na yung family ko magkaroon sila ng better life. As a Mana Omegan scholar, na-realize ko rin na it's not impossible to dream. And yun yung isa sa pinaka-thankful ko kasi there are a lot of people na lagi sinasabi, uy, yung pagiging ganyan, mahirap yan kasi it's expensive. Pero since I'm a Mana Omegan scholar, kung lagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, kung nakapag-aral ako sa Mana Omega with financial problems, siguro kakayanin ko rin sa ibang school. There are so many sponsors, pati donors na tumulong dito. Naging possible yun para magkaroon pa ako ng confidence na ipagpatuloy yung dream ko.
As a parent, gagabayan ka namin at saka syempre gusto ko rin naman maging proud lalo yung nag-sponsor nito na hindi masasayang yung kanilang in-sponsor, kanilang binitawan para sa inyo. Yung lahat ng tulong na naibigay. May tumulong sa atin sa ganyang school. Natin, pagdating ng parang pagmaganda yung mga ano nyo, pwede bang pakibalik nyo? Parang pa-thank you na. Sobrang thank you.